Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A38 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down again and enter backup and reset option. And as you can see right here, we've got this whole Google backup section. And first of all, if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, however, the data is not backed up on it, then you can simply turn on this option right here. So tap on Google account and your device will show you previously added Google account. So you can simply choose it and set it as the backup account also. However, if you do not have your Google account added, simply you will have to do it right now. So let me tap on this option. We will be immediately transferred to this Google account section. So just tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. Right here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly. Okay, and tap on next. As you can see, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. All right, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup and storage info, so you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So to finish everything, simply tap on turn on. And here we've got another backup section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got also the backup details, so it means that basically you can check what has already been backed up. And basically to finish everything totally, tap on backup now. And as you can see, your device is backing up your data, of course in the background, so you can do whatever you want. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.